everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Life Source channel, and today we're talking about homemade nut milks. So many of us are gone non-dairy, and the non-dairy milk aisle has just exploded. There's so many options out there, and I personally have been drinking non-dairy milk for probably close to 15 years. And so, and it does get pricey. There's so many fabulous brands out there, but like one container of non-dairy milk can be like $5-6. And if you're like me and you use it for all of your cooking, baking, cereal, whatever, it can add up. So, and a lot of times what I will do to save money and to have more control over what goes in my nut milk, I will make it myself. And I am going to show you how easy it is. It really is super easy. So all I have is my Vitamix, my high-speed blender. I have a bowl. I have a nut bag, which we will talk about very soon. And so we have water, and today I'm using almonds. So here's what I did. I took 1 cup of raw unsalted almonds. I put them in a bowl, and I put lukewarm water over them. I just covered them just barely. And I let them sit like that for like 4 to 6 hours. And what that does is it softens the nuts, and it just makes them easier to blend. That's what we're looking for. Now, you can do almonds, you can do cashews, you can do hazelnuts, you can do a little combo action. You can do whatever you want. You can even do seeds if you want. You can do a pumpkin seed milk if you like, right? So that's all you do. So these have been soaked for 4 to 6 hours. I've drained out the water, right? That water's gone. I don't need it. So what I'm going to do is going to chuck all that in there. Okay, this goes over here, out of the way. And then, and then I'll go ahead and add my water. 4 cups water, okay? 1 cup soaked nuts to 4 cups of water. All right, so here's where it can get fun, is you can just do this straight up, then you're done, right? Or if you want to play with the flavorings, you can. I like just a little bit of sweetness to my nut milk, so what I like to do is I add dates, okay? So we'll do, let's see, I already had 2 in there, so that's 4. Actually, that's probably 4 now. And then I'll do 5. We'll do a total of 5 today. Okay. Make sure I take the seeds out. I do not want to blend the seeds. This goes out of the way as well. So you could even add like vanilla extract if you want. You could add cinnamon. You can make whatever flavor of nut milk. You could even make chocolate nut milk, okay? You could add raw cacao powder, and just a little tip, if you are going to do the chocolate nut milk, you want to blend the nut milk first, do the process I'm going to talk about, then put the nut milk back in your blender, add the raw cacao powder, then blend, okay? All right, so here's what we're going to do. Now we're going to blend, okay? Let's see if I can do this. Blend for about good 30 to 60 seconds, okay? Good. So, like I was saying, that you probably didn't hear me, is you're going to blend for a good 30 to 60 seconds, okay? Now what we're going to do, we're going to take it out, and we're going to pour all of this into a nut bag. So a nut bag is basically a canvas bag that is very easy. You just pour the liquid into the nut bag, like so, and you're going to start to squeeze the liquid out of this bag. So the pulp part of the nut milk stays in the bag, and then what you are extracting from the nut bag is your nut milk, right? And these bags are fabulous. You can get them just about at any health food store. I think I got this one on Amazon, so I'll link it down below if you want to get it on Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive. I think you get like 2 in a package for maybe like $10-15, but they last forever. If you take care of them, if you rinse them really well after each use, let them air dry. I've kept one for 4 to 6 months. So, and I just reuse them. So, and it's great. So you just keep getting, really good use out of it. And if you are able to find a good source of bulk nuts, and if you drink nut milk on a fairly regular basis, like if you're making smoothies with it every single day or whatever, it can really start to save you some money. And it's fun because you are coming up with new options. Okay, so I will finish this up in a little bit, but here is what our finished product is. Let me grab a glass real quick and I will show you. Look at that. Perfect nut milk. And so the only difference with homemade nut milk versus the store-bought does have some additives that allows it to have longer shelf life, whereas this has no additives in it, as you can tell. So this will probably last, I'll probably get about between 4 or 5 cups out of one batch. And you probably want to drink it up probably within 3 to 5 days. And let's be realistic, 4 or 5 cups, if you're drinking it fairly regularly, you'll get through it pretty fast. All right. Perfect every time. All right, give this a whirl. Try making your own nut milk and let me know in the comments below what you think. And while you're there, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot and it gives you a notice when you're going to see some new videos. And of course, there are always new videos coming twice a month. Have a great day. Bye-bye.